How to find Cash App transaction history. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to find Cash App transaction history. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. You will land on the homepage of the app where you will see different options. Next, go to the bottom menu and tap on the Activity option. It is this option here at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are here, you will see this page, which has many different activities that you have carried out on your account. You can scroll through them and look for the transaction history you are looking for, because on this page also you will also see a list of your transaction history. From there, tap on the profile icon. It is this icon here at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your Cash App account. Once you are here, make sure you scroll down through the different options that are here. Continue scrolling until you find it. Also, you can go to the search bar and type the name of the transaction you are looking for. Also, you can tap on the profile icon that appears here. This will take you to the profile section. In this section, you will find several options that you can use to get access to different features of the app. Next, make sure you scroll down and come to this option here named Documents. Tap on it. After that, this page will appear. On this page, there are various document types that you can access. From the list that is here, the one we need is the one named Account Statements. Tap on it. You will then see this page where you can find the different periods or months that you can get. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, that is how to find Cash App transaction history.